Meet the latest innovation from Ito Ulco, the Canon 1K, a must-have for cable laying. This tool is designed for speed and convenience. It's left-handed friendly, weighs 4 kilograms without the drill acting as a driving force, and can pull cable at speeds of up to 40 meters per minute. Its unique lever design is perfect even for overhead use, and the removable round orange end plate makes changing reels a breeze. The Canon 1K can be used for $1,420. A TechZone selection wouldn't be complete without an innovative product, right? Let's check out the Timber Drive, a game changer for structural fasteners. Designed for comfortable standing use, it allows adjustable countersinking depth and works effortlessly with self-tapping screws up to 160 mm long. Timber Drive is so user-friendly that no certification is required for operation. Its patented mechanism ensures precise fastener loading, and with the quick drive adapter, it's compatible with many screwdrivers. This means less strain on the worker's knees, back and shoulders, resulting in reduced fatigue and improved efficiency. The Timber Drive is priced at $900. Let's swing by the repair shop and check out Laser Tools Air Hammer Extractor. This handy tool speeds up and simplifies the removal of fuel injectors from diesel engines. Since it aligns with the component being removed, it transmits shock and vibration much better than other methods. It offers a speed of 4,500 blows per minute and also features a pneumatic hammer pull function, where impacts pull instead of push. The tool is recommended for Siemens M25 and M27, Denso M20, and the Bosch CR diesel injector adapters. It operates at a working pressure of 6.2 bar and is priced at $500. The FLIR Psi2 series consists of acoustic imaging cameras designed to locate leaks, electrical discharges, and faults. These tools streamline the inspection of vacuum and high-voltage electrical systems, enabling you to complete tasks 10 times faster than with traditional methods. The FLIR Psi2 PD model detects discharges, while the FLIR Psi2 LD model identifies mechanical failures, such as bearing issues and gas leaks like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. Both devices are effective up to 200 meters away. Additionally, the manufacturer offers AI algorithms to assess problem severity. A free online platform helps organize data for visual reports. Each device costs $18,000, with the option to save by purchasing the Psi2 Pro model for $25,000, which combines the functionalities of both the PD and LD models. Take a look at this electric screwdriver. It not only runs on electricity but also features a moving head. You can select from 3 positions: 0, 22.5 or 45 degrees. It's already pass and pending, but the makers didn't stop there. Along with the rotating heads, they've added torque control, a bright LED, a large button for changing the rotation direction, and a USB Type-C connector for faster charging. Its sets including the screwdriver, 2 bits, and a cable is priced at $30. Meet VentaRake, your 4-in-1 garden helper. It's a vacuum cleaner, a rake, a blower, and a mulcher rolled into one handy tool. The folks behind it say it's a smart buy compared to getting each tool separately. Its 2 batteries provide 35 minutes of work each. Plus it has 6 power levels to help you manage your workload efficiently. It can handle not just leaves but branches too. You wear it like a backpack, and it weighs about 8 kilograms with the battery. And remember what we told you, it's a smart buy. It starts at $289, which is pretty good, considering blowers alone can cost much more. Next up we have a line locator designed for locating subway pipes and electrical cables. The model we're focusing on is the Rigid State Route 24, which pairs with an app for Android or iOS. Users can view real-time data, including depth and GPS coordinates, on their smartphone or tablet screens, and even export it to a file compatible with Google Earth. The Rigid State Route 24 can also connect via Bluetooth to multiple GPS units. Powered by 4 C-type batteries, it offers 12 hours of operation. The cost of the Rigid State Route 24 is $7,200. Meet the Hilti Neuron PM50M G22, a multi-line laser level packed with benefits. This advanced tool boasts 25% faster self-leveling compared to similar products, and can run for up to 24 hours non-stop, thanks to the Neuron battery support. It offers 1 horizontal and 2 vertical planes for use, with enhanced diodes ensuring visibility around the clock. With a laser receiver on side, the maximum working distance extends from 80 to 130 meters. Accuracy stands at plus or minus 3 millimeters at 10 meters. You can get your hands on this tool for $549. Extended periods of kneeling can cause discomfort and strain, especially since the knee joint has minimal fatty tissue compared to other areas of the body. That's why Barwalt ultralight knee pads are essential for bricklayers, mechanics, and anyone regularly working in awkward positions, all at an affordable price. With a total weight of 624 grams, the KN1 knee pads are suitable for roofers too, thanks to their clever external texture. The fibre upper part ensures comfort while standing or walking, and the straps guarantee a precise fit and secure hold even over jeans. You can grab a pair of Barwalt Ultralight KN1 knee pads for just $24. If your boat isn't the Flying Dutchman, this tool from Nemo Tools will be useful, as it lets you clean the bottom of your boat underwater. The battery lasts for over 2 hours. It can dive up to 50 meters and securely adheres to the hull, freeing the diver's hands. With its special 30 centimeters brush, it cuts work time in half without harming the paint. It's versatile too. It can also clean pools and aquariums. Nemo Tools is offering this handy tool for $1,470. RiveOut is a tool designed for one specific task: removing formwork tubes from concrete. It's efficient too. Workers can remove 200 pieces in just an hour. Even someone new to it can quickly get the hang of it, spending only a few seconds on each hole. Plus, it leaves no plastic residue and keeps the tubes intact, great for reuse. Makita is providing professionals worldwide with caulking guns and solutions that are both practical and interesting. Take the anti-drip feature for instance. When the worker releases the trigger, no excess sealant drips out. You can adjust just the sealant flow rate using both the regulator and the trigger. Plus, many Makita guns are lightweight. The DCG-1Z model, for example, weighs just 2.3 kilograms. They're also versatile for reloading, accepting cartridges, tubes, and powder sealants. You can grab this model for $266. Meet the WorkSharp Ken Onion, the most well-known and widely used electric sharpener for scissors, knives, and axes. This sharpener preserves serrated blades and lets you adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees. For added convenience, you can opt for a special attachment. Thanks to its swivel mechanism, you can position the abrasive belt vertically or horizontally. The WorkSharp Ken Onion also features speeds ranging from 1,200 to 2,800 RPM. The basic kit comes with 15 speeds and 5 belts, and it's priced at $227. While some are busy reinventing the wheel, others are revolutionizing shovels. We'll delve into the former in our upcoming video, but for now let's talk about the latter. The folks at Boss Tools have crafted a shovel straight out of a sci-fi movie, perfect for harvesting potatoes on Mars. Its standout feature is a rotating second handle that locks into 16 different positions, ensuring a comfortable grip. This design reduces wrist strain and eases the load on the back muscles. Boss Tools already offers round point and square point models, starting at $76. The makers of the ToughBuilt Scraper knife got clever with its design, and crafted a utility knife that transforms into a scraper with just a couple of finger movements. Versatile in its use, the ToughBuilt Scraper comes with 5 blades for cutting cardboard, vinyl, plastic and other materials. When used as a scraper, these blades tackle tasks like removing glue, labels, putty and more from different surfaces, including glass and tile. Plus, there's a paint can opener on the back of the ToughBuilt Scraper. Overall, it's a handy tool priced at $20. Leicester, a renowned company in plastic welding, introduced 2 new products for 2024. PenWeld A and PenWeld S. As expected, both machines are tailored for this specific task. The PenWeld S is the standard version, while the PenWeld A is the advanced model, featuring a display backlight and other extras, though both maintain the same temperature range from 60 to 600 degrees Celsius. Both the A and S versions are compact, fitting well in tight spaces and weighing less than 500 grams. The PenWeld A unit is priced at $878, while its smaller counterpart goes for $620. NAX is a patented wood splitter compatible with logs up to 38 centimeters long. It works well with spruce, birch, alder, or aspen. The creators claim that using NAX for firewood prep is much safer than using a regular axe. Plus, it's straightforward to assemble, requiring only 2 hex keys sized 13 and 19 millimeters. Weighing 6 kilograms, NAX is also easy to move around. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide if this tool is worth $212. Construction professionals can enhance their concrete work with the Boxel EBAT high-frequency electronic converter. While it might sound complex, its purpose is straightforward. The Boxel EBAT aims in compacting concrete, and it stands out as the only solution on the market featuring a built-in battery. This means poker vibrators can be promptly connected to expel excess air from the concrete mix, thus improving its density. With a battery capacity of 15.9 amp-hours, it has enough power for 2 hours of work, or 63 cubic meters. And with no moving parts, maintenance concerns are minimized. Sellers will provide details on the price upon request. The last item in our selection is the Koken Impact. It's a set of wheel nut sockets, and the colored inserts serve a purpose: blue for 17 mm, red for 19mm, yellow for 21mm, and white for 22mm. All the sockets are thin-walled and measure 110mm, handy for dealing with deep-set nuts. It comes with a plastic protector to shield the wheel from any harm. The set including for sockets in a case goes for $200.